Good morning, everybody. It's Randy Hilarski coming at you from Panama. Hey, today I want to go through what's going on with HEX using Aurox. It's a great tool. If you're not using it yet, sign up. It's free. I don't have a referral link anymore. They took away referrals, but I'm still on the team. So these guys are doing a tremendous job with the Aurox terminal. It's been around for, this will be our 4th year, I think. Things are just exploding with Aurox. So they're going to be offering more and more tools to help you with your entry points, your exit points. Those of you guys who trade, it's just wonderful. All right. So I'm going to go through the different charts for HEX, and I'm going to be straight with you guys. It's not looking pretty. All right. I woke up this morning. I said, oh, let me check Aurox. And I said, oh, shit, I better make a video about this. So it looks like we are going down. So it could be just short term, but I'm going to show you what I see. So let me pull up. Which one do I want to use? This one? No, this one here. Actually, that's too small. Let me do full screen. There we go. All right. All right, so let's start out with the hourly on HEX. The hourly is, I would not ever recommend using the Aurox indicator on the hourly. I just have it set up. The one with the arrows up and the arrows down, you would never use that in an hourly chart. It's meant for charts of a day or more, long term. And I just have it on here because I have that indicator already set up and ready to go. Down here is the DI, the demand index. The demand index here, let me tell you exactly what the demand index, people have been asking me what these mean. The demand index, this indicator is one of the most powerful indicators in a trader's tool set. And unfortunately, most charting platforms do not support it or have incorrect algorithms. In general, the cross above or below the zero line can signal a change in trend. Therefore, if we see the DI line crossing the zero line up or down, it can signify a shift in the market. And as you can see, on the hourly, we just dipped below, and we dipped way below. This is the lowest it's been in quite a long time. All right. Oh, sorry, sounds like an ambulance going by. All right, so as you can see, let's bring it in a little bit closer. Looks like about 5 hours ago, the Aurox indicator went red. You got our Aurox lines in here. Anytime you want to check out the specialty indicators that they have, you just go down to Aurox, and they're all here. Aurox indicator, our in-house indicator, which predicts the entry points at 70% accuracy. Activate it and follow the simple long and short arrows to realize profits today. You got the fear and greed. You got the Aurox lines. I have the Aurox lines on there right now. Forget drawing your own support, resistance, and trend lines. With a click of this indicator, you'll be able to overlay and find support, resistance, and trend lines directly onto the chart. All right. You got TD sequential, demand index, directional moving indicator. That one's only really good for Bitcoin. Pi cycle top indicator, a simple indicator that detects major selling points. Okay, that's for Bitcoin. All right. I don't use that one. All right. So this is your hourly. Who cares about hourly? Let's go longer here. Let's go to the daily. The daily, we just went red again. And I was happy when we got this green indicator saying that we were going up, but man, it snuck right back up on us. We are now bearish again. All right. So here's the support and resistance. We have support, really good support here, just above 10 cents. And we have resistance, strong resistance for about 34 cents. All right. So that's the channel that we're in. DI is below the zero line. It's been below since the 10th of October. All right. So it's been quite a while. Some of you guys who are in HEX say that they use the 3-day. So let me check the 3-day, what it's saying. Wow. So 3-day, we've been bearish for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 days. And look, man, we got another candle. It's not looking good. And the DI has dropped below the zero line for the first time. Let's see when last time we were below the zero line, and it just touched it. That was 23 February 21. Holy crap. We have been bullish for a long freaking time. I can see why people are complaining. You get used to seeing your coin or your token go up in value, and right now, nothing is lining up for to put smiles on people's faces. I hope it ends soon. All right. Once again, you've got nice support at 10.3 cents. All right. Let's go out to the weekly. The weekly, we are now bearish for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks with nice support at 10.5 cents. We are still above the demand index on the weekly, which is good. You know, the last time on the weekly that we were below it was 7 December 2020. That was right after Big Payday. All right, so we've been bullish with the DI on the weekly ever since. So that looks really good. Now let's go to the last one, the monthly chart. Now the monthly just went red. Okay, it's been green forever, and this must have just happened last time. Well, my son's banging on the door. He's shredding his teacher out there. We have a red indicator on the monthly, still above zero line on the DI, but that could break down. You know, we could have some more downside. Everything is saying we will. So, man, I know it's a bummer, guys. If you're like me, you were hoping that you had the you're drinking the hope. You're saying, oh my God, I just want HEX to keep going up forever. Well, you know, we have our own bear markets. And as those of you guys who have been around for a long time know that we're not really correlated to Bitcoin. So a couple of the guys were showing their charts, and they were showing how HEX is usually bearish this time of year. This will be the third consecutive year that we've been bearish at this time of the year, and then it recovers. And I'm hoping that's what happens, hopefully in January. You know, I'm a perma bull with HEX. I just keep my stakes, and I'm here for the long term. And just, you know, guys, you gotta have thick skin when it comes to this game. I'm sorry for those of you guys who bought the top over the last couple months. You know, always be buying. Always be buying. That way you don't, when you DCA, dollar cost average is what it's called. When you DCA, you're not too worried about the dips, because when a dip does come, you continue to lower your average cost. All right. So keep strong, guys and gals. We got a couple more months of this, it looks like, unless PulseChain launches, and that changes everything. There was no snapshot announced. Let's also talk about that for a second. There was no snapshot date announced. All right. It looks like we just have a fork date coming. That means the speculators weren't there to drive up the price. The speculators thought there was going to be a date announcement, and it never came. Looks like we're just going to get a fork. So those folks, they went over and now they're trading meme coins. They're trading shit like Shiba Inu and Floki and all this other stuff that has no use besides being a speculative asset, right? So just be careful out there. Stay for the long haul. If you're afraid of your own emotions, just stake your coins. Put them out there for a year or 2 years, just to take away that urge to sell your tokens. All right, and then DCA in would be something that I'd highly recommend. And you should get some nice coins at a cheap price. I know I have some coins ready. If we do hit that 10-cent level, which looks highly probable at this point, then I'll be happy to buy some. All right. So thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone, and please give me a like and follow, and I'll see you on Twitter. Cheers.